Hello guys, welcome back to Affinity Designer. So in today's video we will go through how to export as EPUB in Affinity. So it's pretty straightforward and let's get started. So first of all, you will need to open up your Affinity program. Now go here to the file, right down here to the export. Again, export, and right here we have two options. You will need to scroll down a little bit and you will see EPUB fixed layout. Here we have document settings. After that you have small size, high quality, whatever you want. You can choose whatever, so like that. Then you have also a reflowable, which is more just a text. And as you can see here, you can then choose area of your document. So I have here just Affinity, nothing special. But if you have more text, then you can choose right here the area of the text. Then you have here DPIs, quality, and so on. Covering page also you can choose here. And yeah, this is how you choose your EPUB export file size. Also here, document settings, we can do that thing. And yeah, this is how you export in EPUB in Affinity Designer. I hope this helped you out. If you did, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.